Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable the microphone in Chrome on your PC. This can be useful if you want to ensure your privacy or prevent websites from accessing your microphone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC. Step 2. Look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on them. Step 3. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on the Settings option. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on the Site Settings option. Step 6. In the Site Settings menu, find and click on the Microphone option. Step 7. Under the microphone settings, you'll see an option to choose how sites can access your microphone. Select Don't allow sites to use your microphone. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily disable the microphone in Chrome on your PC. This provides you with control over which websites can access your microphone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.